Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Spotify playback errors step by step clearly. Open Spotify on your device. Check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try resetting your router. If you're using mobile data, ensure you have a stable connection. Close the Spotify app completely. On Windows, right-click the Spotify icon in the taskbar and select Quit. On Mac, right-click the Spotify icon in the dock and choose Quit. Reopen the Spotify app. Test if the playback error still occurs. If the issue persists, clear the app cache. On desktop, go to Settings and scroll down to show Advanced Settings. Under Offline or Storage, select Clear Cache. On mobile, open your device settings and navigate to Apps. Find and select Spotify, then choose Storage and tap Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, restart the Spotify app. If playback issues continue, check for app updates. For Windows, go to Help and then check for updates. For mobile, visit the App Store or Google Play Store. Download any available updates. Once updated, relaunch the Spotify app. If you're still facing errors, reinstall the app. Removing and reinstalling the app can fix corrupted files. Before reinstalling, back up any playlists or downloaded music. Uninstall the app from your device. Visit the official Spotify website or App Store to download the latest version. Install and open the app again. Log into your account and check for improvements. If you are still having playback issues, consider checking your device storage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.